Hey there, and welcome to World Treasures. We're here to show you the list of some of the top 10 places to see the Aurora Borealis, each known for its unique beauty. One, Tromsø, Norway. Why it's great. Located in the heart of the auroral oval, Tromsø offers excellent visibility. Combine northern lights with activities like dog sledding or whale watching. Two, Abisko National Park, Sweden. Why it's great. This park is famous for its blue hole, a patch of sky that remains clear regardless of surrounding weather, making it highly reliable for aurora viewing. Three, Reykjavik and countryside, Iceland. Why it's great. The countryside offers volcanic landscapes, glaciers, and hot springs as a backdrop to the northern lights. Thingvellir National Park is a popular spot. Four, Fairbanks, Alaska, USA. Why it's great. Fairbanks sits directly under the auroral oval and has a long viewing season from late August to April. The Aurora Ice Museum is also worth a visit. Five, Yellowknife, Northwest Territories, Canada. Why it's great. Known as the Aurora Capital of the World, it offers clear skies and over 200 aurora sightings per year. Stay in an aurora village for an immersive experience. Six, Rovaniemi, Finland, Lapland. Why it's great. Rovaniemi, Santa Claus's hometown, offers cozy accommodations like glass igloos and incredible views of the northern lights. 7. Murmansk, Russia. Why it's great. As the largest Arctic city, Murmansk is accessible and offers stunning aurora displays during the long polar nights. 8. Svalbard, Norway. Why it's great. One of the northernmost inhabited places in the world, Svalbard offers breathtaking auroras during its polar night season from November to February. Kangerlussuaq, Greenland. Why it's great. Greenland is sparsely populated, offering pristine skies and unique landscapes for aurora viewing. 10. Scottish Highlands, Scotland. Why it's great. Known as the Miri Dancers, the northern lights can be seen in areas like Cairngorms National Park and the Isle of Skye during the winter months. For the best chance of seeing the auroras, visit between September and March, avoid light pollution, and monitor aurora activity forecasts. Which of these destinations excites you most? And that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate you spending your time with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our growing community. We've got plenty more content coming your way, so make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out.